What time is it?
3 o'clock.
Okay, 3 o'clock.
Yeah, how much have you had to drink?
3 o'clock. I've had 3 o'clock to drink tonight.
Okay, alright.
Radio 2, cars and drive. Driver's asleep, put on the brake.
Cars and drive, driver's asleep, put on the brake. Everyone clear then, John.
I don't know.
Kill your lights. Whoa! Wake up!
This is Amanda, a popular TikToker who has been blacked out for approximately 20 minutes at the red light. A civilian passing by noticed that this car had been sitting at the light for a while and reported it to the local authorities, which luckily made it right on time to prevent her from crashing into anyone, since the only thing that was stopping her car from moving was her foot on the brake. As you guys can hear, the officer mention that the car is on drive, and despite many attempts of waking her up, it took him about 5 minutes to do so.
Put it in park!
Put the car
Put it in park! Put the car in park!
Put the car in park!
Put the car in park!
Yeah.
Police department, put the car in park!
Car in park! Bam!
Put it in park!
Put the car in park! Can we try to bring it in? So I can let you there.
Wake up!
Put the car in park! Alright, car in park! Officer, put the car in park! Wake up!
Come park over here. Wake up!
Wake up, wake up, wake up! Put your car in park. Put it in park. Just go park over here, Arpino. Yeah, no, you're good, you're good.
Hey, I'll get it locked here.
Miss, please, put it in park. Put it in park. Put the car in park.
A few moments later.
He's trying to lock house. Hey, wake up. Car in park. Wake up. Put it in park. I'm gonna shake the car again. Put it in park. Put it in park. Car in park. Put the car in park. Would you mind opening the door for me? Good boy. Go on. Hello? Hey, open the door.
Open the door.
Ma'am,
Put the car.
open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Police department, open the door. Close. Little more.
Can you put it in park?
Hey! Unlock it. Excellent. There we go.
Oh,
Hey,
hello.
nice. Police department. Why don't you do? Take your seatbelt off. Step out.
Hammered. Or high, we don't know.
Huh?
What's it?
They're both.
Show where you're at.
They're both, yeah, checking out for seats. I think you guys are like shit. You
Here,
know what I'm saying?
Relax, relax for a second.
What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda, what's going on tonight?
There's a cop car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you crashed into just now.
Me?
Yes. How much have you had to drink tonight? How much have you had to drink tonight? Look at me. Hello. Hello.
Do you know where you're at?
Where are you? Do you know where you're
Yeah, I'm looking at the cop cars that are.
Yeah.
Check that the male has actually hit out the turn after the
Okay.
You know you were asleep at the light. Can you answer our questions?
Can you?
I'm sorry, I'm looking at the cop cars that are.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you were asleep at the light.
Listen.
Yeah.
All right.
Because,
Can you look at me for a sec?
what's up?
Can you answer my questions? Where are you
I'm at.
There's a male registered.
tonight?
What time is it?
You don't even know.
You don't know? It's
No, I don't know because
Okay.
I'm driving a car in the middle of the night.
Right.
Amanda, how much have you had to drink tonight? Be honest.
What time is it?
3 o'clock.
Okay, 3 o'clock.
Yeah, how much have you had to drink?
3 o'clock. I've had 3 o'clock to drink tonight.
Okay. Alright. Alright, so my next question to you. Alright, Amanda, you ready for some next? See my finger?
Yep.
See the tip of my finger. What I want you to do is I want you to keep your head still and track my finger with just your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
How am I supposed to track your finger with just my eyes when my kids' cars are moving over here?
Okay. Alright, so
For no
Kids'
reason.
cars.
okay.
Do you want to face
like
this way?
Yeah, we'll
kids
face
in
this way.
Cars
Okay, let's face.
that are moving
Flip
for
around.
no
Flip around.
reason.
Flip around. There
Okay.
you go. You ready? Alright.
I want Michigan State Police, Mike Davis. I want him here.
Okay, well, I want you to take my test right now.
Yeah,
okay?
I'm looking at your finger.
Well, you gotta keep your head
Just
still.
keep your head still.
Okay.
Alright? You wanna be cool? Okay.
Yeah, I'm cool. That's who I want here.
Alright, well, we're gonna do this for a little bit, and then maybe we'll see about
Okay,
that,
we'll see about a finger.
Yeah, I mean,
Michigan State, please.
Just stay still.
Just stay
Keep
still.
following the finger.
Just keep following the finger, okay?
Okay.
Yes?
Yup.
Alright, miss. We're gonna have you turn around, put your hands behind your back for me, you're under arrest for DUI right now.
I'm under arrest for having a Michigan State trooper coming here.
No, you're under arrest for operating on
You are under arrest for hitting my car and being extremely intoxicated while driving. We don't even know where you're at right now, and you're refusing to take my test.
I'm waiting. Yeah. Okay.
Just wait for me.
Yep.
Thanks.
I will.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Anytime.
Alright, so what I have to do is take a seat on that bench down there.
Sure.
Awesome.
Great.
This one right here.
This one?
Yep.
Wow. Imagine being such a cop.
Yep.
Every day. Totally sober. Could walk a straight line if you that.
Alright. I'm a peace officer. You're under the arrest for operating a vehicle while intoxicated due to the consumption
Okay, I have a
of
question.
alcoholic liquor, a controlled
I have a question.
substance. Can I read it first?
No. I have a question because I didn't even get a sobriety test.
I gave them to you, and then you said you weren't going to take them, and then at that point, my hands are tied. And if you don't believe me, I have it all on recording as well. So that's why we wear body cam.
Yeah, we will. We will request that footage.
Okay, so I'm going to read this to you. I'm going to read this to you. I'm a peace officer under arrest for the offense of operating a vehicle intoxicated due to consumption, liquor, alcoholic substance, other intoxicating substances.
Yeah, I had one drink tonight. One drink tonight, and I'm being arrested by the Livonia PD.
Okay.
For falling asleep, for being exhausted, for being a new mom. Yeah.
I'm requesting that you take a chemical test to check for alcohol controlled substances in your body. If you were asked to take a preliminary blood test before your arrest, you must still take the test I'm offering you. If you refuse to take this chemical test, it will not be given without court order, but I may seek to obtain such a court order.
I'm ready to take the test.
Your refusal to take this test
I'm ready to
suspension.
take a test. I'm not
Authorization.
refusing.
I just want to read
You're
it.
confused because you're saying that
I
I'm
have to
refusing.
read this verbatim,
You're
otherwise.
saying I'm refusing. I'm not refusing.
I'm just reading what it says.
Oh, okay,
After
well,
taking
that's
my
what
chemical test, you have the right to demand that the person of your own choosing administer a blood, breath, or urine test. You must give reasonable opportunity for such a test. You are responsible for obtaining a chemical test of a test substance taken by a person of your own choosing. The result of both chemical tests shall be admissible in judicial proceeding and will be considered other admissible innocence or guilt. Will you take my breath test?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Mizzy, she said
No,
yes.
I would like to go to the hospital and get a blood test.
What? So
So you consent to do a blood test then?
you want a blood draw? Or do you want it? Here's the deal. You blow in this, and if we... Okay, are you refusing or not? I'll explain it to you.
Yeah, I'm refusing.
Okay, can I explain it before you refuse?
No.
If you take this breath test here, you can get out whatever your number is, because we have a chart. You refuse, I'm going to take your license, add 6 points to it, and they're going to take your blood. Is that what you want?
No, I cannot imagine being a cop every day of my
So are
life.
you refusing or are you going to blow? Are you going to blow or are you refusing?
Unbelievable.
You going to blow or are you refusing?
It's unbelievable.
Would you like to take the breath test?
I'm ready for you to take me to the hospital and take a blood draw of my
Are you
whatever,
refusing?
my alcohol
So are you
level
refusing or do you want to take a blood draw? So are you consenting to a blood draw?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
A few moments later.
Yep.
Hey, peek on your seat.
Thanks.
I'm gonna need to call my lawyer before I fucking consent to this test. About that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. I'm getting. How am I gonna do that? Unbelievable. They want me to put a mask on before I come in, and you just wheel me the fuck in here like they didn't want me to put a mask on, which they did. Hence the reason the girl was at the front with the.
Hi Amanda, have you been a patient at St. Mary's?
No, I have not.
We'll clean
I
that
want
up.
to call my lawyer before I consent to this test.
Are you refusing
So
to take this test?
I'm clearly stating that I want to call my lawyer before I consent to this test.
Are we yelling or are we going to say yes
Are
or no?
you going to ask me the same fucking question over and over? I
yes,
want to
and
call my lawyer before I consent to this test. What don't you understand?
I'm asking you if you're
It's a very
refusing to take
clear
this test.
statement. I know that you guys do your like
Alright.
around.
Well, there goes your license in 6 minutes.
Okay, there goes my license. For what? You didn't even do a breathalyzer.
Well, I tried to. You said no. You're
Okay.
hitting my car.
Blah 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 blah.
Head all the way down.
I don't know how the fuck I'm supposed to go in there with my hands tied behind my back. Imagine being so low on the IQ scale that you don't even know that somebody can't open the door with hands tied behind their back.
It's actually fairly easy, but just have a seat.
I would like to call my lawyer.
You'll be able to call me later, right?
Okay, yeah. Sooner the better. Before I do this test.
No, don't get to, because I'm getting a search warrant for your blood, so.
Yeah, do you know how the Constitution works?
Yeah, I do, and I just
Do
explained
you?
it.
Are you sure?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 46,000 in your property, it's put it right here.
1-year degree or something?
You have a bachelor's degree, unlike your
I need to call my lawyer. That's how it